Hey dolls! So I am back with another makeup video, and you guessed it, it's gonna be the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette and one of the La Creme lipsticks. I did not have enough willpower to resist this. I mean, come on. It was rainbows and sparkles and unicorns and like bright, fun, pastel-y type colors in lots of iridescence. I couldn't say no. I had to get it. I know I just got the Sugar Pill Little Twin Stars palette not that long ago, but you know, it's fine. It's fine. You can never have too much makeup, right? So to start off, this is just the outside box of the palette, and it is gorgeous. How? Too Faced does this to me all the time where I like can't throw away the boxes and I just end up keeping my palettes in them because the outer packaging is just too cute. And then of course the actual point is the actual palette, and oh my gosh, like I said, no willpower to resist this. This is too cute. And I am gonna go on a little rant slash tangent here. I am so annoyed at all of the people commenting, "It looks like makeup you'd get at Claire's," or "It looks like kids makeup," or what grown woman is going to buy this?" And I'm like, woman, I love the packaging on the makeup at Claire's. I love kids makeup packaging, but I'm not gonna buy it because it's shitty kids quality makeup. So you take a freaking sparkly unicorn rainbow and then put adult makeup inside of it? Yes, I'm going to buy that. Let people like things. End rant. So now that that rant is out of the way, here is the actual palette. Too cute. Like I said, I really love it. It may not be everybody's cup of tea, but us pastel girls, we are out there and we are living for the rainbows. And here are the colors inside. I didn't actually just buy this palette for the packaging. I am a bit more practical than that. I also bought it because I genuinely think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these colors, and I don't have a lot of dupes in my existing eyeshadow collection. I think this Mystic Rain, which is like an iridescent lavender bluey color, is beautiful. Okay, here are all of my arm swatches. As you can see, my line didn't really go straight, so I kind of gotta twist my arm here. But from here to here is like the first row of the rainbow, and then here to here is the second row, and then this at the end is the Unicorn Tears highlighter. I am quite impressed with these swatches that have no primer. They are so pigmented. It's kind of hard to see with my lights, but can we just talk about Fun in the Sun and Fireflies? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to play with those two colors. They're so beautiful. And Mystic Rain, yeah, that one did not disappoint. It is so cool looking. I feel like it's really hard for me to get good footage of swatches with the lights that I use, but I hope you can, for the most part, get the gist from this shot. And then the other product I got from the collection, I didn't have the funds to go too crazy, but I did pick up one of the La Creme lipsticks because I have 3 other La Creme lipsticks by Too Faced and I love them. I love the formula. So I picked up Angel Tears because it was described as a champagne pink, which sounded like a very wearable color for me. I wear tons of light pink lipsticks and I love shimmer as well. Here is the outer box packaging, also very, very cute, very iridescent. However, this box I will not be keeping. I'll probably recycle it since keeping my lipsticks in their boxes it's going over the line. It's getting a little bit crazy. In the tube, it's kind of a milky, ivory, off-white color, but I do know that it's supposed to go on champagne pink. A little bit difficult to see, but you will see it more in detail when I put it on my lips in the makeup that I'm about to do here in a minute. As usual, my actual face makeup is already done, and so we're just going to jump in with the eyes. I really want to use Mystic Rain, which is this super cool iridescent lavender to blue shift color that everybody has been freaking out about and saying that it's like the best color in the palette. So I definitely want to try that out, and I think I'm just going to go in and pat that on the center of my lid. Oh wow. That is quite cool looking. Next, I think I'm going to go in with this matte pink Young and Free on the inner and outer part of my eyes and kind of blend it into Mystic Rain. Oh wow. Oh wow, do you see that? That is pink, my friends. Oh my gosh, do you see that? That is so pigmented. That is absolutely what I want in a pink eyeshadow. Now, I just laid down the colors. They're super blocky and patchy. This is awful. So I'm gonna try and blend that out a bit with the Mystic Rain in the center. Alright, now, where do I want to go from here? Whenever I do these videos, I'm literally just winging it. I have not planned a look at all. I'm just kind of seeing what colors call to me. And right now, I'm wondering if I want to deepen the look on the outer part of my eye a bit with Fantasy, the purple shade, the warm purple. It's definitely a very warm purple. So I think I'm going to try going in with that. Again, I just kind of like to lay down blocks of color and then blend out after I do that. What I'm thinking right now is taking Fireflies, this super shimmery green, and putting that under my eye. Also guys, this is like my favorite brush to put really packed on color underneath my eye. It's so tiny and nice. I don't know if that's actually what it's for, but it's what I use it for and I love it. Oh my gosh. Guys, do you see, can you see that on camera? This green is so poppin'. Here is the look with that green added to the under eye. Can you guys see that? It's really pigmented. I love that color a lot. Okay, now I'm putting some of my trusty NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk on my inner corners. Been using this on my inner corners for years. And then I'm going to go in with Beamin', this light shimmery ivory type color. It's kind of a creamy ivory color, and I'm going to use that on my inner corner and also on my brow bone. Alright, and I think this is my finished eye look for today. I used 1, 2, 3, 4 of the shades, so I mean, that's not a lot. There's a lot of shades in here, but nobody can use an entire palette full of colors when they're trying to do a single eye look. So I am going to get off camera to apply eyeliner and mascara because once again, I'm just going to do it my regular way, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now obviously I have got to try the highlighter in Unicorn Tears, so I'm just going to go into that and do a normal highlight. Alright, I approve of the highlighter quite a bit. We're going to do my nose and my Cupid's bow as normal as well. For my lips, I'm going to apply this Angel Tears La Creme Mystical Effects lipstick, which is the only other item I got from the Life's a Festival collection, but we're gonna see how it looks now. It's It's like a light champagne pink with a lot of shimmer. It's quite a light color. I definitely like Unicorn Tears more. Alright, final thoughts time. And oh my gosh, guys, I recommend this palette so much. I am so impressed with how pigmented the shadows are, and they're so iridescent, which I am living for. Thank you, Too Faced. Please keep putting out products like that are as good as this one, because so many of the products Too Faced has released over the last year I've looked at and I'm like, the packaging is cute, but I'm not paying $50 for that or whatever other prestige makeup price that it had, because the product just wasn't worth it, and I'm not going to just buy packaging. This, though, completely worth it if you like glitter and shimmer. If you do not like glitter and shimmer or bright colors, hard pass, obviously, but I think you could tell that just by looking at it. I don't think I need to tell you that. But yeah, that is my thoughts on the palette. As far as the lipstick goes, this I would say, if I would recommend it to you, I don't know. It's $22, kinda use your own judgment. It's not a super standout color. This is a very light, shimmery, champagne pink. If you're gonna get any of the four, get the classic, get Unicorn Tears. That is my favorite lip product that I own. It's amazing. This one's a lot more wearable though. So, and with that, I am gonna go. I hope you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me and review on the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette and one of the lipsticks. And I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay glamorous and stay geeky. Bye.